Hello roller skaters. This afternoon we are talking about a basic and important jam skating skill on the ground, the hex. So you've probably seen this done many times before because it's kind of like a fundamental part of jam skating, and there's lots and lots of different variations that can be done with it. So first of all, you're going to need to be getting down on the ground and up from the ground. There's lots of ways to do that, but I will put the links to the videos that we have done so far about getting up and down from the ground. Once you're on the ground, for the hex, you're going to have your legs extended out in front of you, a little like kind of like a V-ish sort of position. And then you're going to put your hands back behind you. I like to be on my fingertips. Some people like to be on their palms. Try both. I think it just depends on the person, maybe the length of the arms and whatnot. So the first thing to try, like step one, is just pressing into those hands, shoulders back, like lift your belly in and up, like your core, and then pull your skates up to your butt. Just doing that. And trying to count it, like to a rhythm, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so forth, right? So that's just like the step one. Once you feel comfortable with that, the next part is going to be bringing one skate up onto in front of the other skate to make like an L sort of shape, or like what some people call like a number 4, but it's something like this. So again, pushing into the hand, shoulders back, and this. You want to keep that L shape so it's not like up here.
And you're still off the ground.
You're off the ground. You're not dragging it here. It's just that like that L or number 4 shape is what you want because it's the most balanced and it's the most flowy way to transfer into other shapes from this place. Okay, so then from there we extend back out into our V. Again, the butt is lifted, shoulders back, and then we're going to switch to the other side, the opposite way. Again, keeping that nice L. Practicing that again, trying to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So once you have that, you're comfortable with that. The next thing is adding a alternating hand or arm, so that when the one skate is crossing in front, the opposite hand can touch it or go up in the air, or put your hand on your hip or make up something. Be creative. That's what's kind of fun about it. So
it looks better, I think, to do the one hand.
Yeah, and it's more challenging for your upper body. You have to kind of shift your weight more from side to side, which is why the balance of that L is important that we talked about with the legs. So again, pushing down to the fingertips or palms, shoulders back, lift up, and then doing your hex out, maybe hand up, like whatever you like to do. But notice how you have to lean a bit more.
Yeah, you are leaning more.
You have to lean more. You have to kind of push your body over to the side a bit more, and it takes a bit more balance. So again, try to practice that in those stages and finding a rhythm to like, find a nice even, like 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of beat sort of thing. And that is, again, a very foundational, I guess you'd call it, jam skating thing. And there's lots of different variations you can add on to that, be creative, and make other things up based off of that. But that is hexing. So hopefully that's helpful for those of y'all who are interested. I hope, and it is fun. Actually, it's kind of like a good little workout. Good if you just want to get a little ab workout or something. Put on some music and just practice that to the beat, for a while. There you go. All right. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.